NASA's Webb and Hubble space telescopes have delivered the highest resolution image of IC2163 and NGC 2207 to date, captured in a stunning combination of mid-infrared, visible, and ultraviolet light. This remarkable image reveals new cosmic details that offer a fresh look at the captivating dance of two galaxies. Take a moment to stare deeply into these galaxies. They appear almost unsettling, as if blood is pumping through the top of a flesh-free face, caught in a perpetual eerie gaze. The long, ghastly stare of their searing eye-like cores shines out into the vast cosmic darkness, a sight both haunting and mesmerizing. This ghastly galactic countenance brings to mind mythical human hunters, such as the Wendigo from Algonquian lore, a skeletal figure with ghostly skin and glowing eyes, cursed with insatiable hunger, and a form that only grows more monstrous with each feast. But unlike the mythical creature's endless appetite, this image, captured by the James Webb and Hubble space telescopes, doesn't reflect true galactic cannibalism, at least not yet. It's a close encounter, but not yet emerging, leaving both galaxies with distinct features intact. The smaller galaxy to the left, IC2163, slithered behind the larger one on the right, NGC 2207, millions of years ago. Though we can't watch the slow-motion cosmic play that will unfold over eons, researchers can use this crisp, blended view, mid-infrared light from Webb, along with ultraviolet and visible light from Hubble, to delve deeper into this pair's relationship. These observations will enrich models, providing a glimpse of possible thrills to come in the galaxy's journeys. It's fortunate that appearances can be deceiving. So far, these galaxies have only grazed one another in passing. IC2163, the smaller spiral, has been slowly creeping behind NGC 2207, the larger spiral galaxy on the right. The color contrasts in this image reveal startling new details, representing a synthesis of mid-infrared light from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and visible and ultraviolet light from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. Look closely for hints of their light scrape in the shock fronts, where material from the galaxies may have collided, creating visible compression lines. These bright red streaks, particularly the so-called eyelids, give the illusion of the galaxy's bulging, vein-like arms. This initial pass may have also disrupted their otherwise gracefully curved arms, causing gravitational forces to stretch and pull out tidal extensions in several areas. The faint, thin spiral arms bridging IC 2163's core and its far left arm may signify this distortion. Additional tendrils seem to dangle between the galaxy's cores, connecting them with a filigree of gas and stars. Another extension drifts off the top of the larger galaxy, forming a delicate semi-transparent arm that nearly escapes the frame, hinting at the powerful gravitational tug between them. Both galaxies are prolific star formers, with high star formation rates that resemble countless individual hearts fluttering across their arms. Each year, this dynamic duo produces the equivalent of 24 new stars the size of our Sun. By comparison, our Milky Way galaxy forms the equivalent of only 2 or 3 new Sun-like stars annually. Not only that, but these galaxies have also hosted 7 known supernovae in recent decades, a remarkable count, especially when compared to the Milky Way's average of just 1 supernova every 50 years. Each supernova event may have helped to clear out space in the galaxy's arms, rearranging the gas and dust into clusters that later cooled, fostering fertile environments for even more new stars to form. To spot these star-forming action sequences, look for the bright blue regions captured by Hubble in ultraviolet light, and the pink and white regions primarily highlighted by Webb's mid-infrared data. Larger clusters of stars are known as superstar clusters, and these can be seen in the top spiral arm wrapping above the larger galaxy, pointing to the left. Other luminous spots in the galaxies are mini-starbursts, zones where numerous stars form in rapid succession. The top and bottom eyelid of IC 2163, the smaller galaxy on the left, also glow brightly with new star formation, adding to the surreal and captivating display. What might lie ahead for these spirals? Over millions of years, the galaxies may pass by one another in a series of encounters, drawing ever closer until their cores and arms eventually merge, leaving behind a reshaped galaxy with a cyclops-like eye glowing at its center. As their gas and dust are gradually consumed, star formation will slow, and the cosmic scene will begin to settle into a quieter state. Do you want to pull apart these galaxies and explore their secrets up close? Webb's mid-infrared image highlights their skeletal structures, and comparing Hubble's and Webb's images side by side offers a mesmerizing perspective on these distant worlds. The significance of this galaxy pair's unusual appearance cannot be overstated. On the surface, it looks like a pair of galaxies with an eerie crimson glow. But as we delve deeper, we realize that this is no ordinary phenomenon. It's a window into the very fabric of our universe, a glimpse into the intricate dance of cosmic forces that shape galaxies like our own. The thing is, astronomers have been studying galaxies for centuries, and yet we still have so much to learn. The universe is full of mysteries, and this galaxy pair is just one of many enigmas waiting to be unraveled. Understanding these phenomena is no easy feat, though. Astronomers need to overcome countless challenges, from the limitations of our technology to the vast distances involved in observing these cosmic wonders. And yet, despite these hurdles, scientists are driven by an insatiable curiosity, a desire to push the boundaries of human knowledge and explore the unknown. The discovery of this galaxy pair by Webb and Hubble is a testament to human ingenuity, a reminder of the awe-inspiring wonders that await us in the cosmos. What do you find most fascinating about galaxies? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more cosmic discoveries and explorations.